Our top story tonight, we are following up on the report of a possible measles case at Bartlesville Public Schools. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Erin Christie. The Oklahoma State Department of Health confirms no measles cases in Bartlesville, but it certainly sounded the alarm for health professionals and many families. 2 News anchor Sharon Phillips listened to one doctor about how they're preparing for possible cases in Oklahoma.
I met Allie Teal and her 2 daughters in the waiting area at Utica Park Clinic in Owasso after Bartlesville Public Schools issued a warning Tuesday about a staffer testing positive at a hospital for measles. The disease was top of mind for Teal.
I am concerned about the measles because I do have a 5-month-old baby who is not old enough to be vaccinated for the measles. And then my older daughter has only had 1 of the measles vaccines. So they're at risk for getting the measles if it's in our area.
And what were your thoughts when you heard about a possible positive test here in Oklahoma yesterday?
I was concerned because we live in Skytook, so a possible or potential case in Bartlesville is really close to us. So it would only be a matter of time before it was in our town.
Dr. Teresa Horton says her office at Utica Park Clinic was inundated with concerned parents.
I had a lot of calls and messages sent to my inbox with people very rightly concerned about what do I do. With everything going on in West Texas, it's a very valid concern of what, it's just a matter of time before we have an outbreak here.
I asked Dr. Horton about the testing process.
So there's 2 different ways to test. If you're testing for immunity, it means you're immune. Okay, that you've had it before or you've been vaccinated. If we're going to swab your nose, we're looking for the actual virus itself. And if you have the measles virus in your body, and we're finding that, then that's what shows active infection.
Dr. Horton says Tuesday's warning got everyone's attention, and for good reason. So she had conversations with her office staff about making sure they are all on the same page should a measles case hit Oklahoma. And that's not all. Because measles are top of mind for a lot of people right now, the doctors here at Utica Park Clinic are making sure that they have enough of the vaccine in stock.
It's like a test run. What are we going to do if this comes up from Texas into Oklahoma? And I hate to say it's just a matter of time, but that is a big concern, and it's a very valid concern.
In Owasso, Sharon Phillips, 2 News Oklahoma.
The Oklahoma State Department of Health sent us a statement saying that a measles case can only be confirmed through their department, and said that while residents may be tested and diagnosed at a healthcare facility, that facility must work with the Department of Health to confirm a positive case.